Just had a Uniqlo order delivered, and I am really hoping that I found the perfect winter trousers for anybody that's 5'2" and under. Okay, so these are men's trousers, but I got them in a short or an extra short, whatever the short is for that they could come in. They're super affordable, comfy, and best of all, there's no tailoring required. And did I mention that they're fleece-lined? They come in all of your basic colours, and they're just going to make getting dressed in the cold so much easier this winter. I honestly don't think I'm going to take them off. Trousers are amazing. So they are the Uniqlo cargo pants. They're men's. I got them in a short. I am 5'2". I got them in a size small because I wanted them to be a little bit oversized, but I wanted them to have a little bit of room. I mean, it's winter after all, and I probably want to wear layers underneath. And honestly, so good. I personally did not rate any of the female cargo pants, so definitely have a look for the men's. And yeah,